That's not my...
Smart.
No.
That's not my voice. Is that me? Like, for real? Hey guys, in this video we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna show you how to kind of like dub any movie scene or anything like that, so in Audition. So let's keep watching. Okay, so James Bond is actually out, okay? But I'm gonna go back to my most favorite Bond, which is Casino Royale. So let's do it. Import file, and let's do the scene, which is my favorite. Okay, by the way, this is not grouped, so if you want this to be grouped, you just select it and then right click, so you can actually move it at the same time, and now it turns the same color so you can move it around. Okay, so let's put this at the beginning. Here you can see the preview of the video. This is, oh, actually you can't see it because there's my face. Okay. Now there you go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the part where, of course, Vesper talks. Okay, don't want to dub it.
Smart.
So it's this one, smart. So I'm gonna play the whole scene.
No, don't worry. You're not my type.
Smart.
Single.
Absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my voice instead of Vesper. Okay, Eva Green, of course. So let me do that.
Smart.
So I'm gonna isolate the part that I wanna use. So I'm gonna switch to time selection tool, which is a T on the keyboard, and I'm just gonna select this part. If you allow loop button right here, loop playback, you just go
Smart. Smart.
smart. And now I just have to kind of like pretend I have a British accent, which I don't, far from it. Obviously. So what you have to do right now, okay, so let me go to audio hardware, and I'm right now recording with Rode, so this is not available, but this one should be. Yep, you have to select, so I can record on top of it, but I want to compare it, so I'm going to record on the track number 2. So I don't want to record on track number 1 actually, but you can do it right here. It's gonna just record where you have the selection, but first I have to put the input and choose the input. Okay, and that is this mic. Bring it on, and let me put the playhead here. And now I'm gonna enable for recording, and you can see the levels here. And what I have to do now is simply say smart. I don't know how to say it, smart, and get it the same as Eva Green. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm gonna press record.
Don't worry. You're not my type.
Smart.
Single.
Okay, I did that too much, like smart. It has to be okay, let me hear it.
Smart.
Yeah, it was horrible.
Smart.
Smart. Okay.
Smart.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's start from here.
Don't worry. You're not my type.
Smart.
Single.
Okay, let's hear it. And by the way, what I can do right now is, if I hit Command K, I'm gonna cut this clip from here and here, so I don't have to do like a razor tool and then cut here. So Command K and your selection will be cut like this, which is always very helpful. Okay, let's hear it. So I'm gonna just turn down the volume with this clip a little, or yeah, like this.
Don't worry. You're not my type.
Smart.
Okay, there's a feature which is called automatic speech alignment, but I didn't like usually the way it works, so yeah, I kind of puts it
Smart.
Okay, let's switch to selection tool. Let me see if I can, because it kind of even like slows down your speech or speeds it up. So let me see it.
Start.
Oh my god, that was cool actually. Okay, I think it worked, but of course we're missing the background of the car. So what I'm gonna do next, yeah, let me just hear it again.
Swat.
Okay, let me just mute this right away.
Swat.
Okay, and this is the noise of the car that we want. So I'm gonna cut this here, and I'm gonna hold Option, that makes a copy, and I'm gonna put this here and make another copy here, and then another copy for this one. Okay, let's hear it.
Time.
Swat.
So you have to hear the actual. Yeah, I can turn off the recording. It makes it more believable if you put the noise in there. Yeah, I think I maybe put this higher.
Time.
Swat.
One more time.
Swat.
This is so.
Time.
Swat.
Oh, I know what happened. Wait,
Swat.
because I've recorded all the, which is actually good, but okay. Mute. Of course.
Don't worry. You don't know my time.
Smart.
Single.
Now. Okay, so I'm just gonna replace this. Unmute, of course. And noise.
Time.
Swat.
Okay, now we got it right. Now I sound like Eva Green. Of course not.
Time.
Swat.
Oh my god, is this me? No,
Time.
Swat.
that's not me. Wait, something's wrong. That's not me. Definitely not me. That's not me. It's not my voice. Guys, what do you think? Leave the comments below.
Swat.
That's not my.
Swat. Swat.
No.
That's not my voice.
No.
Swat.
That's not my voice.
Swat. Swat.
Is that me? Like for real?
Swat.
No. I have to hear the original. I'm going crazy here, guys.
Smart.
Okay, that is literally my voice.
Smart.
That is my.
Smart.
That is my voice. Okay, I'm a bit freaked out, but okay, I sound really good.
Time.
Smart.
Single.
Swat.
Wow. I sound like Eva Green.
Smart.
Subscribe. You have to subscribe right now. This is magic.